Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore some options about AWS CLI. Okay, so in last video, we seen how to create a security group and how to delete the security group. Okay, and this video, we are going to see how to create EC2 instance using AWS CLI using command prompt. Okay, so thanks for watching the previous automation video. Okay, so as promised, every alternate video week will publish one automation video, and every alternate week will publish a troubleshooting video. Okay, EC2 or AWS troubleshooting, our daily operations video. Okay, so let's start. Before starting, if you still not subscribed to my channel, okay, then please go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and stay tuned on this channel for AWS interesting technical stuff. Okay, so let's start. Let me open my AWS CLI. Okay, so as shown last video also, if you still not seen, please go ahead and watch. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you what actually I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to run one simple command for AWS EC2 creation. For that, what I need, in last video I shown you how to create security group. Okay, so we need security group, we need subnet IP, we need AMI. Okay, so for AMI, what I did, I have taken the free instance AMI for this demo. If you have in your organization, if you are working, you can choose whatever AMI you want. Okay, so I have taken this one. Okay, so just to show you. Okay, now let's go ahead and run the command. Okay, so open the command prompt. Let me maximize this. Okay, yeah, now it's good. Okay, so you can see here I have two instance. Okay, two running instance, total two instance only. Okay, now let's create one more instance using command. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, so guys, this is my command. Okay, so you can see here it is AWS EC2 image ID, the AMI ID which I shown you from where I have took, then instance type, then key pair name. Okay, so this is my key pair name. In last video I shown you how to describe the key pairs. Okay, so this is a key pair name. This is the security group. This is also I shown you in last video, and this is a subnet IP. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit enter. Okay, now you can see here it started the process and the state is pending. Okay, so give some time. After that the state will come in the running. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch in the console now. Okay, so you can see here the state, the new server state is now in pending. Okay, so let me rename here the server tag. Okay, so you can see here, so after some time, as you guys know how it will come as a normal. Okay, so this is, on one single command you can create a EC2 instance. Similarly, you can delete the EC2 instance also on one single command. Okay, so that is it is. So let's move ahead. So now meantime I think it is created, so let's see here. Okay, so see here demo 3 it is created. Okay, just refresh it, it is created. Now what we are going to do, we are going to delete this instance. Okay, so in today's video what I am going to show you how to create the instance, how to delete the instance using CLI. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so you are on your CLI. Okay, so let's type the command. So in command you can see guys, AWS EC2 terminate instance, then instance ID and the instance ID number. Okay, and if you see the earlier command, okay, let's go up And let's see this command. What this command EC2 run instance, then EMI ID, EMI instance type, key pair name, security group, and the subnet. Okay, and for termination, what we just need instance ID and terminate command. Okay, so this is our instance ID. Okay, you can verify here. This is demo 3. Okay, yeah, this is the 0B. This is the instance ID. Okay, now let's see. Let's hit the enter, and let's see what's happening out here. Okay, now it's showing it is shutting down. The instance was running and it is shutting down. Now let's see. Just refresh this page. You can see it is shutting down, and in few minutes it will terminate. Okay, so similarly we can run command for shutdown instance. Okay, we can multiple instance we can terminate. Okay, so here you can see I have given only one. I have given only one instance ID. Instead of that, I can list the number of n number of instance ID. Okay, just give one space and give n number of instance ID, and you can terminate. You can shut down whatever you can. Also, you can automate this process also. Create one script, create one PowerShell file, and just automate. Okay, so it is very simple, guys, and I hope if you like this video, then give one big thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned on this channel for next upcoming troubleshooting and the automation videos. Okay, so you can see here it is terminate. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll meet you on next week. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.